When we click on Layout icon, the first thing that will appear is the welcome window. We will notice the most important thing here, which is the standard templates present in the program. When we click on More Templates, we will find the first tab is Paper, and we will find that it contains graph paper or plain paper. Graph paper, its templates contain grid like so, and plain paper is a complete blank sheet. The second type of templates is storyboard, and it has these three templates. The third type is a title block. This section of templates has templates that contains pre-made title blocks for various sizes of sheets. So title block templates including contemporary, modern, rounded, simple, and simple serif, traditional. We choose from these templates according to the sheet we want to produce. So now we will choose A3 landscape from simple serif. Click on it. This sheet will appear to us. So we can put the logo here and the office or company information. Then Institute 1 and 2. Then the client information. Then project name. And the other details of drawings and sheets. In order to set the paper size of the sheets, whether it will be A3, A2, A1 or A0, we will go to File menu, choose Document Setup, choose Paper, and here we will find that the paper size is A3 as we chose this template. So width is 420 millimeters and height is 297 millimeters. And here we can choose if it landscape or portrait. Then we can choose any paper size from here. So instead A3, we will make it A0. If we chose A0, we will notice that the paper gets larger and the title block part still on its size. So we may delete this title block and make a new title block for the project, or start with this title block, but we will enlarge it to fit the new paper size. Then the margins, which means the imaginary lines at the paper edges. So these lines surround the content within the paper. And here we will find that the left margin as default is 16 millimeters, and from right 10 millimeters, and from top and bottom both are 10 millimeters, mean 1 centimeter. We can edit it or keep it as it is. Also, we can view these margins to see it. So if we checked on its box, we will see this boundary around the paper. Also, we can choose the color of these margins. And through this option, if we turned it on, these margins will be a real frame and printed. So for example, we change its color to black. This frame will be printed. We reach to the last part of this lesson, which is the rendering resolution. In this area, we can define the rendering resolution for two things. First thing is display level, means that how we will see the sheet and its content inside layout, and it's preferable to use medium or low. And it's preferable to specify the output resolution, which is the resolution of exported files from layout. So we will set it at high resolution.